Those are fried fish balls. Spicy. I've got a tangy sauce that goes with it. Okay, it's normally made with a salt cod. I don't have any salt cod, but I've got some haddock here. And what I did, 3/4 of a pound. The recipe for this is below in the comments. And what I've done is I've shredded it up in an ultimate chopper. So in goes the fish. And a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise. One beaten egg. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Got some Carbalose powder. Tablespoon of Carbalose. You can use almond flour if you like. Some fresh cracked pepper. Some baking powder. Some onion salt. Some garlic salt. 1 stalk of green onions. That really makes it. I've got 2 tablespoons of diced red pepper for some nice color. And now, when you have fish balls in the Caribbean, you always have to have a little bit of habanero or scotch bonnet peppers they call them. So I'll put those in. This is one small green one. I've got a 1/4 cup of crushed pork rinds. That's my binder. And that goes. And I like to use, it's a new product that I found in Walmart actually. Really inexpensive, and it's just pork rinds. It's called pork Q. And just keep it in the fridge, but it's already ground up. Makes it a lot easier for you. So I'm just going to start up my wok. You can do this in a cast iron frying pan. I just like to cook in the wok. I've got some refined coconut oil. Doesn't taste like coconut. I'm just going to put a good blast in there. Or sometimes I do these in the. It's a great appetizer. I do it in my little mini deep fryer. If you can get a hold of salt cod, what you do, it's all salty and it's just dried cod. And what you do is you soak it in water overnight and to get the salt out, soak the salt out. And it's boneless. There aren't any bones in it. It's pretty good stuff. And you can just shred it and use that. That's a really good flavor. But I didn't have any salt cod, so I just used this haddock. Now instead of fish balls, you can also form these into fish cakes, which I do often. Let's bring this up to speed. It'll only take a minute. And then I'm just going to form little balls and fry them. That's starting to smoke a little. The refined coconut oil has a really good smoke point. I think it's 450 degrees. So you can see the size of that ball. That's a fairly large one. And that's hot enough. Oh yeah, that's a sizzle. So 350 degrees. It's a great appetizer. We don't want to put too many in. This will go in 2 goes, I'm thinking. So that was about 1 minute, and I turned it onto its side. And I'll probably hit 3 sides on that. That's a really nice golden brown. There, I like that. Nice to put them on a raised rack with a piece of paper towel. That took about 4 minutes in total. These ones are kind of on the large side, on the generous side. So I could make some smaller ones for the next batch. It's almost like a fritter. Now for a dipping sauce, I made up a sugar-free Thousand Island dressing, a little bit of lemon juice, and some sugar-free relish, and a little bit of cayenne. The recipe for this is below, but it's a really nice little dipping sauce. And I put it in the fridge to let the flavors meld for a bit. Okay, that's 4 minutes on these. I'll try this one that's cooled down. You can see the inside, nice and fluffy. Wow, that's really good. Hold on. These are my Caribbean style fish balls. Thanks for watching.